Our universe. Until the end of 19th century, it was thought that the universe was eternal and unchanging. But astronomers now say that it's impossible for human mind to conceive a true picture of the size of the universe. It is impossible for us to imagine how vast it might be. It is infinite, both in time and space. It is generally assumed that in the beginning, the universe was like a ball of high density. This super dense big ball expanded for millions of years and some 12 billion years ago exploded. This was a big bang. Because of this explosion, this super dense ball broke, throwing its fragments far into the space where they are still traveling, forming galaxies. The universe is still expanding. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.